Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to understand one of the most popular career path in tech, Python full stack development. If you are confused about what full stack means, what skills you need, and how Python is used in web development, then this video is perfect for you. By the end of this video, you will clearly understand what Python full stack is, front-end based backend, technology used, career opportunity, and how beginners can start learning step by step. So let's get started. First point is what is full stack development? Full stack development means working on both such as front-end and back-end. Front-end front-end means what users see, and back-end how the system work behind the scenes. And another one is what is Python full stack. Python full stack means using Python for back-end development along with front-end technology to build complete website or web application. Then second one is front-end technologies. Front-end is the visual part of the website. Common front-end technologies are HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React or Bootstrap. And the third one is back-end technology. It handles logic, database, authentications, and server-side operation. In Python full stack, backend technology include Python, the Django or Flask framework, APIs, database systems like MySQL or PostgreSQL, and database. It is used to store user data login information, products, and more. And another one is career opportunity. With Python full stack skills, you can become full stack developer, backend developer, web application developer, freelancer. And another one is why learn Python full stack. Python is beginner friendly, easy to learn, and highly demanded in the IT industry. It is widely used in web development, AI and machine learning, automation, data science. So that's a simple introduction to Python full stack development. If you are a beginner and want to start a career in web development, Python full stack is definitely a great choice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video. And one more thing here, if you want to learn from documentation, then open your browser and search here Python documentation, and click here. You can see here documentation Python tutorial library. Download the documentation, Python language, Python documents content, this. And another one is Python reference W3. schools, right? School. You can learn from also this site W3 schools. Here are Python reference, Python overview, Python built-in function, string, dictionary, tuple method, set method, and file. This after that module reference and Python how to Python example. You can see here, and you can learn from this site HTML, CSS, JavaScript, SQL, Java, PHP, C, C++, C Sharp, Bootstrap, React, MySQL, Django. You can learn. What do you need to learn? This website is perfect for you. So, like the video, comment your thought, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tech tutorial and career guidance video. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.